Guys, first listen to me. Never ever blame others for your own failure. You know why? Because whenever we get any failure in our life, whenever we don't get success in our life, then we should blame others. No. If you can't get anything in your life, then it just because of you have to work on your weak points. You have to work on your foundation. So if you also want to get success in your life, if you don't want to get failure in your life, throughout your life, then try to stick to this video till the very end, because in this video I'm going to discuss this thing with all of you, with all my viewers. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and just have a look. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. This is Yashoda, and in today's video I'm gonna discuss about how not to get failure in our life and what kind of things should we do to get success in our life. So first thing that you need to keep in your mind, that you should not blame others for your own failure. Yes friends, this thing you have to keep in your mind कि कभी भी आपको अपने फेलियर के लिए दूसरे को ब्लेम नहीं करना है. वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड वी हैव दिस टेंडेंसी टू ओनली ब्लेम अदर्स. Whenever we don't get success in a life, we always try to blame others. मीन्स इसके कारण मैं नहीं कर पाया, अगर ये होता तो मैं ज़रूर कर लेता. We always make like a mountain of excuses. And this is the thing that you don't have to do. You are not supposed to do. You're not supposed to make any excuse in your life if you want to get anything in your life. Throughout your life, this thing will help you throughout your life, not only about this language. Okay? So, सबसे पहले अगर आप कोई भी चीज़ लाइफ में पाना चाहते हो तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि फर्स्ट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन योर फाउंडेशन. Okay? In case of English learning journey, okay, you have to focus, you have to make your foundation too strong. It means you have to work on your basic tenses, means basic grammar, only tenses, and then after making a strong foundation, then you can build a huge building. You can make as much stories as you can. Means stories means जितने मंजिलें आप चाहते हो बना सकते हो. The same way you have to do with English language. Okay? आपका टेंसेस का बेसिक आपका जो फाउंडेशन है वो आप मजबूत हो गया. अब आप इसमें पैसिव वॉइस इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, इसमें आप मॉडल्स इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, इसमें आप कॉस्टिव इंक्लूड कर सकते हो, आप कंडीशनल लर्न कर सकते हो, आप इन्फिनिटिव जीरेंट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, आप सारी करेक्ट वे में लर्न कर सकते हो. बट मेन क्या है आपका टेंसेस. यू शुड वर्क ऑन योर टेंसेस. एंड यू नो मेरे बिकॉज आई हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग means online classes, online spoken classes, so I can feel what are the basic problems of learners. And most of the learners, they only blame, like, I don't have anyone to speak with, I don't get ideas to speak about, and words don't come in my mind, like this. So what are the reason? अगर आप नहीं कर पाते तो आप क्या करोगे? खाली बैठोगे? Who will come to help you? No one. There is no one who will help you. It's only you. It's only you. Your belief system, your determination will help you. Otherwise, just आप जाओ भाई, आप only blame करते रहो, क्योंकि blame करने वाला इंसान कभी लाइफ में सक्सेस पा ही नहीं सकता. सपोज मेरी लाइफ में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स थी, एंड ये कोई गलत वैसा नहीं कि मैं सोच रही हूँ. I had lots of problems in my life, but how did I navigate through all of them? And now I came to this point. Now I got this level. How I did this? Just by making excuses? Just by blaming others? No. Because I did hard work. I did put lots of efforts. I left my comfortable zone. I made this camera my friend. And this was my journey. This was kind of my journey. And the same thing you have to follow. If you want to get fluency in this language, then you should think what is right, what is wrong. First thing that we always do, okay, when we start having conversation with anyone, then what we can do, we always blame like ourselves. We curse ourselves. Oh my God, I have a bad luck. I can't speak English language. Look at this person. He is speaking too much fluent English. I wish I could be an English language learner. Why can't you? You can. You need to do only practice. अगर आप, मैं क्या बताऊं कि अगर आपने कभी शायद एक कुआं देखा हो, ठीक है, जिस कुएं से हम पानी निकालते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक पत्थर होता है, उस पत्थर को एक रस्सी उस पत्थर को घिस सकती है। तो क्या आप एक प्रैक्टिस का एक हथियार यूज करके, ठीक है, आप कोई सक्सेस नहीं पा सकते? शायद आपने दशरथ मांझी के बारे में सुना होगा, उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ के लिए डेली रेगुलर मेहनत कर करके एक पहाड़ के बीचों बीच से रास्ता बना दिया। तो फिर यार ये क्या है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ही तो है, इट्स टू इजी, यू जस्ट नीड टू create that environment around yourself and you can create on your own. You can talk, you can learn, okay, you can do your listening practice, you can do your speaking practice, you can write, you can read only in English. And even if you watch anything on your phone, then you can do only in English. And by following all these activities, by following all these steps, you can create your English environment just by yourself without anyone's help. And then very early you can see a drastic change in your personality, in your confidence, and the level of your spoken English. And literally friends, just do follow these things instead of blaming others कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मुझे इस क्लास में नहीं अच्छे से पढ़ाया गया, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया, मैं नहीं इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा सेंटेंसेस बना पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं क्लियर नहीं है। हम सभी बचपन से ओनली हम इंग्लिश पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, और हमने स्कूल में पढ़ी है, मानती हूँ। उसके बाद अगर आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज लर्नर हो, अगर आप 2-3 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो और फिर भी आपको कुछ नहीं आ रहा, आप अगर आपका बेसिक भी नहीं क्लियर है, तो इट मीन्स यू आर लैगिंग समवेयर, आप बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो। सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, यू आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स। सो आई वुड से ओनली वन थिंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेमिंग अदर्स, try to focus on your learning, try to do practice every day, at least 1 hour, 2 hour, as much as you can, and then you can see the result. Okay, so I think now you got the idea, and from today onwards, without cursing yourself, without blaming others, just sorry friends, give your focus, give your attention only to learn English language, only to speak English language fluently. Fluency, don't focus on fluency, you should work on your like आपको जैसा अच्छा लगता है आप वैसे बोलिए, ठीक है, हमें भागने की जरूरत नहीं है। You should keep your pace mediocre, not too fast, not too slow. Okay, and now I'm going to say bye bye because it's a very long video and I don't want to make a long video because I know that if I will be speaking like this, then you will be definitely get bored. Okay friends, so I'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.